I've mentioned Crown Heritage in at least 2 or 3 of my previous videos, and I did promise you guys that I would do a review on the product that I bought from them. So let's talk about the Crown Heritage Platinum Protein Treatment. Hey guys, it's your good Nelly B, and today we're talking about this locally made protein treatment and the fact that I've been using it for a few months, and I wanted to give you guys my feedback on it because we don't really see that many locally made protein treatments. We would quicker see, like leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, but a protein treatment, I honestly can't think of any other brand right now that has a strict protein treatment. So when Crown Heritage came out with theirs, I had to give it a try. For some context, Crown Heritage is the rebrand of Cedros Bay Petite Body Shop, which was created by a colleague of mine named Cindy Edwards, who is a former content creator. She's also a worship leader, ministry leader, and she sings beautiful, powerful voice. And in speaking with her, she decided that she wanted to revamp and rebrand, and I absolutely love the vibe and the aesthetic of her new, the name and the colors and everything that she chose for Crown Heritage. Listen, we were so excited for when she launched her website. We could not get onto the website because I was there trying to figure out, okay, what do I want to get? I need to try at least something I want to support, and could not even get onto the website because people were, oh my goodness, it was a scamper. And I was so happy for that because it just shows that people were ready to support the brand. So since I've been labeled a product junkie, I didn't want to buy everything because I've used a couple things from the line back when it was Cedros Bay Petite Body Shop. But one thing in particular that stuck out when she relaunched was this platinum protein treatment. Okay, phone in hand, so I'm pulling from the website information on it. So the platinum protein treatment is formulated for all hair types, and the ingredients are rice water. They have a special herb blend, hydrolyzed rice protein, castor oil, emulsifying wax, sweet almond, jojoba oil, avocado oil, a lot of oil, shea butter, fennel, marshmallow root, and of course they have their preservative. It comes in a 12-ounce jar, and the cost for it is $70. That is 70 TT for the local folks. For the non-local folks, that would be roughly about 10 US. They also go on to say that it is formulated with hydrolyzed protein and gluten-free rice. It immediately reduces hair breakage and protein loss while providing hair repair, increasing hair's natural elasticity while delivering unparalleled shine. They also do indicate that protein treatment should be done once monthly for high porosity hair and bi-monthly for low porosity hair. So like I mentioned before, it cost $70, and delivery, if I remember correctly, was either $30 or $35. Delivery via Titi Post, came straight to the house, came in a few days. I was very happy with that, and your girl was excited to use it. So first things first, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I love the aesthetic. I believe it's black and this deepish teal color. Mine looks a little banged up because of course I've been using it for a few months now, but love, like I said, love the aesthetic of it. The consistency of it is it's slightly runny, and I'll be very honest, I didn't know what to expect because like I said, I've not really outside of the Afrocessories protein treatment, I've not really used that many protein treatments in my hair, so I wasn't sure what to expect with this per se in terms of whether it would be thick or it would be runny. I don't know. So it is creamy, but it's also on the runnier side, but that's a non-issue to me. As for the smell, the first thing I noticed when I looked at the ingredient list is that there's no fragrance, which if you're not into fragrance is a bonus. Whether a product is fragrance or not doesn't really bother me, but I know some persons don't like fragrance products. It just smells like, if you know how henna powder smells or any type of Ayurveda powder, that is how it smells. And I would attribute that to either whether it's their herb blend, the marshmallow root, or the fennel. But even that scent isn't strong, so it's And honestly, in terms of scent, I don't think it should bother anybody. In terms of use, I'm reading from the jar now. They're saying that after you shampoo, you distribute it throughout your hair from roots to ends, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse it out, and then always follow it up with a deep conditioner. So of course, when it comes to protein, me, I play in that. So I made sure and I followed the instructions to a T. The product was easy to apply. I had no issue with it. I put my shower cap on, left it on for half an hour, rinsed it out, and I followed up with my deep conditioner as usual. Now after using it, like immediately after I, deep condition, etc., detangle, whatever, did I notice a difference? No. However, and I say that however in big with my whole chest, that as weeks went on, I noticed that every time I washed my hair, and I wash my hair sometimes every week, sometimes every 2 weeks, after I detangled, the amount of hair that I would lose became less and less. By the second month of using it, because I use it once a month, I realized, okay, this is pretty decent, because I don't really change up how I treat my hair. I tend to be pretty consistent with my wash day method, unless I don't have the time to do it and I'll just do something really quick. But on a whole, I have a particular method that I use to wash my hair, and the only thing that changes is the products. And I've been using the same products. Like, I hadn't really changed up my products much at the time, because I kind of want to put my products on a rotation that I change every couple months or so. And I noticed that in using it, like, I had been using my regular set of products before, so not to say that I changed that. Once I incorporated the protein treatment into it, I started noticing by the second time that I used it, a difference. My hair had been, way less breakage, for sure. Way less breakage, because I get a lot of breakage. I get a lot of breakage in my hair because of the fact that I had colored ends at the point in time, and just less hair coming out while I was detangling. So I said, okay, that was like the second month of use. Let me, check out the. So I was like, by the second month, I was like, all right, this is interesting. I'll use it again in the third month. And the third time I used it was when I washed my hair to prepare for braids. I would have spoken about it in my previous video where I talked about how I prepared my hair for these braids. So I will link that so that y'all could check it out. And by then, listen, the little bit of hair, I repeat, the little bit of hair that has been coming out of my head after a wash day. Like, I went in one time, okay, I detangle a certain way with a certain method, and then I switched it up to see, maybe it's just because of how I'm detangling my hair. I said, nah. I switched it up to see if how I detangle my hair, if I change it up, if I would get more hair, and I didn't. I was so surprised, pleasantly surprised, because I always go into trying out a product, a little bit of a skeptic. I want to be proved. Like, I'm thinking, okay, it ain't gonna work, or maybe if it does, not how I anticipated. This protein treatment far surpassed what I anticipated that it would. All of that to say, do I think that this protein treatment is it? Absolutely. Absolutely. Look at there. You guys know I'm a sucker when it comes to local brands. So the fact that a local brand could nail a protein treatment this well and have my hair feeling as strong as it does, absolute win. And you can't go wrong with the price and the value, because you're getting like a whole 12-ounce jar for just $70. Well, plus delivery, but oh gosh, come on. Still, this is a good size for a good price, and I have at least 3 or 4 uses in this again. Granted, I have shorter, finer hair, but on a whole, you don't need that much. So it's going to last you a while. I mean, you're only using it once a month if you have high porosity hair, and once every 2 months if you have low porosity hair. So it's going to last you. If you are interested in trying out their protein treatment, I will link their socials and their website in the description so you can check it out for yourself. So, quick questions. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do you guys use protein treatments at all? If so, outside of Fuji, what other protein treatments are you guys aware of that we have access to? Do you all know of any other local brands that do protein treatments? Because if you do, holla at your girl, let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.